So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Maybe in the last few videos you have seen this with me. He's my Swar and I call him Sandy because I had a dog. His name was Sandy and unfortunately he is no more. So I call him Sandy and he's with me most of the times. Okay, so most of the times you will see me holding him like this like a baby and it's really soft. Okay, so yeah, well, I would like to talk about the confidence which I have gained to sit in front of a camera and speak my heart out. Because the girl who once hated looking at herself is now sitting in front of you talking to a camera like she was always meant to be here. And honestly, if you told my younger self this would be me one day, she would probably wouldn't believe you. Because I used to hate being in front of the camera. I hated taking pictures. I hated looking at myself and makeup. And I didn't even know where to start. Yes, it wasn't really about the camera. It was about how I had learned to see myself. Call it as a bully, but yeah, people used to make fun of my looks because I was a kind of tomboyish type. I used to dress like boy. I didn't had a boy haircut or something, but I used to dress like a boy, and some people would start saying you look like a boy and you're dressing up like this, your head is bigger than your body, like this, like blah 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 shit. So being bullied made me question the way I looked, and when you are constantly made to feel like there's something wrong with you, eventually you start believing it yourself. I started avoiding taking pictures, avoiding attention, and avoiding anything that made me feel like people were looking at me. I thought staying away from the camera would make me feel better. But then slowly I started changing myself. Not my face, not the way I looked, but the way I looked at myself. I started experimenting with makeup. At first, I had no idea what I was doing, but I kept trying, and somewhere between the messy first attempts, the new looks, the getting ready, the pictures, and the videos, I realized I actually loved it. Not because makeup made me prettier, not because I suddenly needed to look different, but because I loved the process. I loved being creative, I loved trying something new, and most importantly, I loved doing it because I wanted to. And today, I can sit in front of a camera and talk like this. I can do my makeup. I just because it makes me happy. I can take pictures without immediately wondering what someone else is going to think, and I think that's the biggest change. And I love yapping. I love to yap about anything. So that's the reason why the camera is in front of me and I'm yapping about anything else. I didn't become confident because everyone suddenly started liking me. I became more comfortable with myself when I stopped letting other people's opinion define me. And if the younger version of me could see me right now, I think she would be surprised. She would probably wonder how the girl who once wanted to hide herself from the world is now genuinely enjoying being herself. So this video is for the younger me, the girl who thought she wasn't enough, the girl who was afraid of the camera, and the girl who didn't know how to love herself. Look at me now. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, but I'm here taking that courage to sit in front of a camera and talk my heart out. And finally, I'm not afraid to be seen. I love being seen now. And to be honest, I don't care about what people think. I do post so many reels and these blah blah blah. I don't think of like what will people think. That's my phone, my account. That's me. I don't care about anyone's opinion now. But before, I was a person who had only 2 3 followers on Instagram and had also followed 2 3 persons only, because I used to stay away from social media most of the times. And now I have become a completely different person, but yeah, I haven't forgotten who I am. So yeah, that's it. For near future, I will start yapping like this again. and I will start showing my life, my daily routine, and all. That's all. Bye bye.